Water just busted up through the ice there and starting to flow. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm hoping everyone can see that. The pressure got good enough where, or strong enough where it busted a hole through the top, and now that water's just gushing onto here. And you can see that whole trail of water right there on top. And this is right up underneath the water. That's what I was videoing before. And you can see how it's pulsating. It's just trying to bust up through and find a crack to come up through. The pressure gets pretty great. And the ice forms all the way to shore until the rocks like that at night. And then the sun comes out, it starts expanding, and it starts to want to just bust up through the top layer somewhere. And that's why it makes all those noises. It's pretty fascinating to be out here hearing this, actually. I hope you all be able to hear this as well as I can, because it's just amazing. It's trying to bust up through again. And actually more water just busted up through here. It's like a gusher coming out of holes right there. There, I just saw it. Oh my goodness, it just busted up all here. Look at all that. This, I just showed you this before. It just finally broke through. What an unbelievable thing. I didn't think I'd catch that. See how that just busted up? I was just showing you where that air pocket was. There's part of the air pocket. And then it just busted up the ice right there. Pretty fabulous. Just timing. Everything's timing. Now, with water on top of all that thin ice, I was just showing you just a few, actually it was just seconds or just a minute and a half ago. And there's water coming up all through the top, on top of that ice now.